mind to study Malay language, to study English language, and to study on geography and
Geography.
Geography and history. He said to me that it is all a burden to him. But do you know, just after he went through the exams, he said again, wow, my head is feeling very uplifted. My heart is being very free from exams.
Yes.
And he became crazy. Do you know what he did after he took his exam?
Yeah, what? What? What do you know?
He does pole dancing.
Pole dancing?
Do you know what is real pole dancing?
No, I don't know.
Pole dancing.
Do you want me to demonstrate? Farid, do you want to see my demonstration?
I think.
Do you want to see my demonstration? Come on.
Do you see?
Do you want to see? Do you want to see?
Yes, yes.
Do you want to see
Do you want to see
my demonstration
my demonstration
of pole dancing?
of pole dancing?
Yes.
But I should leave it to the masters.
Oh.
Let's leave it to Shati to explain it how to do pole dancing because he is the master over here. But nevertheless, let's see the second point, which is depth. From what Shati told me, a boy after he took the PT3 exam, before he took the PT3 exam, he feel very stressed because he has a lot of subjects to read, to think of, and from the ignited burden when